In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Pioneer Vozsis with Alexa app on your iPhone so you can access Amazon Alexa through your Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may have buttons on the side, or across the bottom like this one, the on-screen operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer NEX in-dash receivers: DMH-2600NEX, DMH-2600NEX, DMH-2600NEX and 2550NEX, DMH-2600NEX and 2660NEX, DMHC-5500NEX, AVH-1500NEX and 1550NEX, AVH-2500NEX and 2550NEX, AVH-3500NEX, AVH-W-4500NEX, AVIC-W-6500NEX and 6600NEX, AVIC-W-8500NEX and 8600NEX. What software do I need to make the Pioneer Vozsis with Alexa app work on my Pioneer in-dash receiver? Let's start with the in-dash receiver. Go to pioneerelectronics.com. Next, you can use the search function here to search for your particular receiver's landing page. Just type in the model number to search. Click on the Downloads tab. Download to a USB flash drive and install the latest firmware update for your particular in-dash receiver. The Pioneer Vozsis with Alexa app will work with iPhone 5 and newer, with iOS version 9.0 or higher installed on the phone. You'll need 2 free apps on your iPhone. The first free app is the WebLink Host app from Abalta Technologies. Pioneer partners with Abalta on this free app. Go to the Apple App Store and search for WebLink Host. Look for this icon in the store. Download and install the WebLink Host app on your iPhone. If you already have the WebLink Host app on your iPhone, that's great. Next, search the Apple App Store for Pioneer Vozsis with Alexa. Look for this icon in the store. Vozsis with Alexa is a free app from Pioneer. Download and install the Vozsis with Alexa app on your iPhone. Now you can see that as we start this, you don't need the in-dash receiver. It's switched off right now, and I do not have it connected. This is the connection right here. So you don't need the in-dash receiver at all to set up the apps. So for the first part of this video, we're going to show you how to set up your iPhone with the apps in order to make Vozsis with Alexa work with your in-dash receiver. So you can see here that I've downloaded the WebLink app, WebLink Host app, and I've downloaded the Vozsis with Alexa app right here. So let's touch the WebLink Host app first. And you're going to get the terms of service here. I encourage you to read this and scroll down to the bottom and accept it. Then it's going to ask you a couple of questions about accessing the information from your phone, like your location, your music library, and other things like that. Say OK to these. Now let's set up the Vozsis with Alexa app. So we'll touch that. And Vozsis with Alexa is going to ask you for access to a number of different things from your phone. So we'll say OK to this. Access to the microphone, we're going to need that. And here are our terms and conditions. I encourage you to read this and scroll down to the bottom and agree. And then this is more terms here and agree to this. So next thing we'll do is touch the Get Started button. Here, you'll need to sign in with your account into Amazon. If you don't have an account with Amazon, no worries. Just scroll down a little and you can create an account with Amazon. This will give you access to Alexa. Now, let's power up the receiver. I'm going to choose a source that doesn't make any noise for me. So I'm going to choose the auxiliary input source right now, where I can turn up the volume a little, and we don't need to hear any source because I don't have any music playing with it right now, and we're going to do a demonstration. So I've got Vozsis on here and I've got WebLink on here. So let's plug the phone in through USB. Now please note, even if your receiver is capable of a wireless connection for Apple CarPlay or for Android Auto, you'll still need a wired connection to make Vozsis with Alexa work. Here you can see WebLink is setting up and it's ready to go. So I'm going to touch the home button, and here you can see my phone. Let's touch that. Here I have my option for Apple CarPlay from my iPhone, or I have the option for WebLink. We'll choose WebLink. And this takes me directly out to the WebLink app, where I can choose Vozsis with Alexa. So here's an example of some things that you can try with Alexa. Well, we'll try all of them. I'm going to touch the X up here. And I'll just touch the center to get Alexa's attention. Alexa, what's the weather like in San Diego today?
In San Diego, California, it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. Today, you can look for lots of sun, with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 60 degrees.
Let's try another one. Alexa, what's my flash briefing?
Where should I get your news from? You can say something like CNN, Fox, NPR, or Reuters.
Fox.
In Fox News.
Alexa, remind me to buy some flowers for my wife.
When should I remind you?
In about 2 hours.
Okay, I'll remind you in 2 hours.
Alexa, play Beethoven Symphony No. 5.
Beethoven, Symphony No. 5 by Milwaukee Symphony Orchestra and Andreas Delfs and Ludwig van Beethoven, on Amazon Music.
So here, you can see we're playing some music, and you might be able to hear it through the microphone in the background here. It's kind of low. But I want to go out to the Pioneer system. So there's a number of different ways that I can do that. But I'm going to hit the home button here. This takes me out to the Pioneer system. The music is still playing through Alexa right now. And let's choose another source. For example, let's choose the radio. And you can hear music playing on the radio right now. But I need to go back to Alexa to ask something. Touch this swap screen button right here. This takes me directly back to Alexa. Alexa, remind me to call Reginald in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll remind you in 5 minutes.
And this continues to play the song. So when we touch the Alexa button, the music is muted and we can have a conversation with Alexa. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call fans of Star Trek and Jeopardy? Trebekis.
Let's go back out to the Pioneer system. And we'll change the source again. Now I want to go back to Alexa. Alexa, how high is the International Space Station?
The International Space Station is 66 feet tall and 1.329 million feet above sea level.
Alexa, play some jazz music.
Sure. The station, Smooth Jazz, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, skip to the next song. Alexa, play Sonny Rollins.
Shuffling songs by Sonny Rollins on Amazon Music.
Alexa, add hot sauce to my order.
Amazon's choice is narrow sauce, 8 fluid ounces. It's $8.99 with delivery by April 30th. I added it to your Amazon cart for review. To purchase, say buy it now. Here's your reminder. Call Reginald.
Thank you.